There is a lot to discuss, so let's get right to it. We are dealing with some fog this morning. Dense fog advisory up for parts of the viewing area. That's through 9 a.m. We do have visibilities down to a quarter mile or less in many locations, so definitely give yourself some extra time. You're going to have to adjust your speeds here as you make your way along the roadways through about mid-morning or so. Now, as Denise mentioned, the heat and humidity has been with us for quite some time and will be until about middle of next week. Keeping an eye on a strong front, though, that looks to arrive next Wednesday will return us back to that fall-like feel. We do have some scattered shower and storm activity to work through this weekend. I wouldn't cancel your outdoor plans, but you might need to shift them a little bit. Here's the dividing line for those who love the heat and humidity. You're on this side, and those who want the return of that fall-like feel, you're on the other side of the front. Monday is going to be a steamy day with highs near 90, and it's also going to be dry with good sunshine. Getting you through the weekend, as mentioned, you might have to dodge some raindrops. I think today shows more shower and storm activity than tomorrow, so maybe Sunday is the pick. Depending on how much clouds and rain we see, that might keep our temperatures at bay today. So some of us might only get into the lower 80s while others make their way into the middle 80s. And that's mostly for the afternoon. So let's time this all out for you on Futurecast. Some spotty shower activity for most of the area through about the middle of the day. But the first half of the day is the driest. Once we get to about noontime, that's when you really got to kind of keep an eye to the sky between about 12 and 4 o'clock. Some scattered downpours, potential for a rumble of thunder, but it does move through pretty quickly. Notice by about 6 or 7 o'clock or so, this is all shifting off to our east with potential for some overnight showers to our east as well. And then we'll do it again on Sunday, but a little bit less so. So we do still have that isolated shower and storm threat around for Sunday. Then Monday will be a dry day. Those chances creep up again on Tuesday ahead of the front, and the most widespread rain that we're looking at will be on Wednesday. So we'll keep an eye on that, potential for heavy rainfall, but a lot of time between now and then to kind of iron out the details for that. Tropics are quiet, nothing going on there, nothing expected to develop in the next 2 to 5 days. So we've been kind of in a lull there, but we do have one more name, and it is Wanda. If it ends up being used, has yet to be determined. We still got over a month, though. Hurricane season doesn't officially end until November 30th. Taking a look at the extended forecast, warm and humid with unsettled activity through about middle of next week. And then that cold front will bring that fall-like feel back to southeast Texas just in time for Halloween weekend.